Everyone has had an houseplant, or more specifically an aloe plant, that they just cannot kill and cannot get rid of. So today I'm going to be showing you how to kill an aloe plant in some pretty simple steps. So my main points are where to put the plant, watering habits, fertilization, potting, soil, and pests. These points give you easy points on how to kill an aloe plant. So my first point is to keep in a dark room. You should keep your plant away from any windows, and close any curtains or blinds. The less sunlight this plant gets, the easier and quicker it will die. My next point is temperature. It is important to keep it in under 55 degrees or over 88 degrees. Room temperature does not work, and it can be outside during the winter from October to April. My next slide is watering habits. An aloe plant is a pretty easy plant to take care of, and you don't have to water it that often. So to kill your plant, you're going to want to water it every day, and then during the winter, you're going to try to water it twice a day. My next slide is fertilization. Once again, the aloe plant doesn't really need much attention, so you're going to want to give it an excessive amount of attention, and you're going to want to fertilize it frequently, and then during the winter you're going to want to fertilize it at least twice a week. Next is potting. So you're going to want to keep the plant in a smaller pot because it allows the roots to shrivel, and obviously roots are very important in any plant, so if you kill the roots, the rest of the plant will follow. Next is soil. Like I've mentioned a few times before, an aloe plant is a pretty easy plant to take care of, so you're going to want to always keep the soil damp, and the plant should always be thoroughly wet. You should water at least once a day. Next is pests and bugs. So like I mentioned, you're going to want to water every day to attract bugs, and then the more bugs you attract, the more germs it's bringing to the plant. So it allows fungus to grow on the roots, which will kill your plant pretty quickly. So this is a healthy aloe plant. It's at our house. It sits in the window of the kitchen, and it gets a lot of sunlight. So this is what you don't want your aloe plant to look like, because we've had this for a while and it is very healthy. And then next is my sister's unhealthy aloe plant. This sits in our bathroom and it doesn't really get watered that often, and our cat Kiwi actually ate the tips off of it. So this plant struggles, which I guess is great because it is definitely dead. So in conclusion, there are many ways to kill an aloe plant. You can neglect it, over care for it, and then choose what works best for your plant and what works best for you.